Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to speech to Canva videos. So here you can see that this is the video in which I want to add text to speech. So this is the website that you need to open, voicemaker.in. So I'll already create a voice by typing here and I'm going to download this from here. So I download this, then you need to go and open Canva, click on uploads, click on audio, click on upload files, and you need to select the file from your PC. So I'm going to select this one that I recently created. Now it is imported and let me add to the video like this, and now you can see. Let me play from the start. So when we need to add it here, and after that, once it is play, you can listen to this at this moment, because here you can see that we added this. So this is the process how you can add text to speech to Canva videos. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.